So no neuron is an island. So the cortex, we talked about all of the different layers of the cortex, where all the neurons are, but the bottom line is if those neurons aren't connected to other neurons, then your brain just doesn't work. So gray matter does not work in isolation. The connections between areas of the gray matter are critical. And I want to point out a few of those right here. So, subcortical white matter. Here's our cortex on the outside. It's the dark part. Not very thick. Remember, it's about 2 to 3 millimeters. And then all of this is subcortical white matter. We have great big bands here. We have our internal capsule here. All kinds of white matter coming from all over the place. And these connections are really what makes your brain work. And in the next set of slides, we'll go through some specific classes or specific classifications of subcortical white matter, what they do, and where they are.